Dear student, this is part 2 of Unit 1 of topic Digital Documentation Advance. This part deal with tables. Okay. In this video, I am going to discuss about table, what is table, what is rows, columns, cells, how to insert table, how to delete column, insert columns, delete row, insert row, how to merge cell, how to format content in a table, etc. Okay. So here the topic is working with tables in LibreOffice Writer. Instead of LibreOffice Writer, you can use MS Word, Microsoft Word. Okay. So what is a table? A table is a collection of rows and columns. A table is a grids and arrangement of rectangles or cells in rows and columns. You can use tables to format all or part of your document into columns and rows. You need tables because they are the best way to organize graphics, columns, headings, and rows. Okay. Whenever you want to write anything in a tabular form, that means in a rows and column forms, then we need a table. The columns, the vertical arrangement of cells is called column. The horizontal arrangement of cells is called rows. And what is cell? The intersection point of rows and column is called cells. Actually, we enter data in cell, or we store data in cell. So here are the steps to insert a table. Position the insertion point where you want the table to appear. Choose table, insert table options. This will display the insert table dialog box. Name, enter a name for the table. Then here we have to set number of rows and number of columns you want in your table. Then click on the insert button. First go to the insert, then here is the table button. Okay, click on the table button. Here you can choose number of rows and number of columns you want in your table. Okay, or here is the options, insert table options. It contains more options to insert a tables. Number of rows, number of columns, fixed columns width. Okay, here you can set fixed your column width cannot be changed. Auto fit to content means the width of the column change according to the content. Auto fit to windows. This option is used for the to fix the column width according to the windows. Okay. Auto fit to content. Then click on number of column 5, number of rows 2. You can increase or decrease the number of column and number of rows using this button. Okay. The button is used for decrease and top button is used to increase rows and columns. Okay, then click on OK button. Okay, you can change the size of the table using the this button. Okay, it is a double handle button. Using this you can increase or decrease the size of the table. Okay, to select a row, just position your pointer just before the rows and click on. It will select the entire rows. To select column, position your cursor just above the pointer just above the column and click. Notice the mouse pointer convert in like this. Okay, it will select entire column. To select a particular cell, okay, just click inside the cell. It will select a cell. Adding images to a table. Okay, these are the steps to add image. Position the insertion point in any cells where you want the image to be added. Click on the clip art to select any image from there. After selecting an image, click on insert clip button to insert the image in that particular area. Okay. Click on the cells where you want to insert the image. Then go to insert menu, then clip art. Enter a name of the categories of the picture. Here the category is computer. Click on the go button, then just click on the image to insert the you can resize the picture also. Okay, in this way you can insert picture in a cell also. Next topic is inserting rows, column and cells. Inserting rows, column and cells. Suppose I have already a table and need more rows and column in the table. Then the step to insert a new column is select okay. This is the table types having two menu. One is the design, second one is layout. Select the layout tab, then here is the insert above rows and columns. Insert right, insert left, insert below, insert above. Okay. Insert left, insert right. Okay. In this way, you can insert columns. To insert cells, insert rows. Okay. Insert above, insert and insert below. Okay. In this way, you can insert rows in the column. To insert a cell, select the cell. To insert a cell, just select the cell, right click on it, then go to the insert cells options. Okay, it will display the insert cells dialog box having 4 options: shift cell right, shift cells down, insert entire rows, insert entire column. Okay, so select the cell, right click on it, it will display pop-up menu, then select insert cells option, it will display the insert cell dialog box. Okay, the first option is shift cell right. Okay, the selected cell move to the right and new cell will insert there. Okay, shift cell down, the selected cell move to down and a new cell will insert there. Insert entire rows, a new row will be inserted. Insert entire column, a new column will be inserted. Okay, a new insert entire rows and click on OK button. Okay, in this way you can insert rows, column and cells. We can also delete cells, rows and column also. To delete a particular column, select the column and here is the delete button. Table tools, first select table tools, then go to the layout tab and then go select the delete options. Delete columns. Okay. Select the column to be deleted, then go to the table tools layout tab, then delete columns. Okay, like this we can delete row also. Select the entire rows to be deleted, then table tools layout, delete rows. Okay, to delete a particular cell, select the cell, table tools layout, delete cell, shift cell left, shift cell off, delete entire rows, delete entire column. Okay, so select shift cell left. Okay, the left side cell of the selected cell will move to left. Shift cell off means the cell will be deleted and the cell below the selected cell moved to this position. Delete entire rows, the entire rows will be deleted. Delete entire column, the entire column will be deleted. Shift cell left, click on OK button. Okay, here the cell is being deleted and the right side cells move to left. Okay, in this way you can delete rows, column and cell. Next topic is merging cells. Merging cells means making multiple cell into a single cell. That is called merging cell. Okay. Making multiple cells into a single cell is called merging. And splitting of cells means making multiple cells to a single cell from a single cell. Okay, that is called splitting. To merge cells rows column, first select the cells rows column which you want to merge, then click on the table merge cells options. Splitting cells, place your cursor the cell you want to split, click on table split cell, enter number of rows, number of columns you want to split into, then press enter or click on OK button. Okay, first say how to split merge cell. Okay, suppose I want to merge these three cells into a single cells, then I need to select all these cell. Okay, then go to the table tools, layout. Here is the merge cell button, merge cell. Okay, notice three cells merged into a single cell. Okay, first select the cells that you want to merge. Okay, then go to the table tools, then layout, then merge cells button. Okay, in this way you can merge cells. Splitting cell, select the cell which you want to split into multiple cells, then table tools, layout, split cells, split cells. Okay, here you need to enter the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, number of column 2, number of rows 1, that is which 2 into 1 means 2 cells. It split the cells into 2 cells. Okay, in this way you can merge and split cells. Notice in the table tools there are two tabs. One is design, second one is layout. Okay, using the design tab you can change or apply design like border color, shadings, style. Okay, and using the layout tab we can modify the layout of the table like adding rows, columns, cells, deleting rows, columns, cells, okay, etc. To modify the layout we need to select layout tab. To apply or modify the design we need to select the design tab. This is a table style. Okay, here you can select border, all border, outside border, inside border, top border, bottom border. Okay, this is border style. Okay, you can draw border here. This is border color. Okay, eraser to erase a particular rows, particular border. Okay. This is your all about table. In these lessons, we learn what is table, what is rows and columns, cells, how to insert table, how to insert rows, columns, cells, how to delete rows, columns and cells, how to merge cells, how to split a particular cell, okay, how to apply border in a table, etc. Okay, thank you.